Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. In this 3 to 5 minutes of video, I am going to tell you the most simplest and smartest way to search jobs. Lot of us go on job portals and on LinkedIn to search for jobs, which is fine, but this is the most smartest way out there, which I'm going to share with you now. The only help which I need from you is to like the video and share it in your network, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. So here is that method. With this method, you will not only get alerts from different portals into your email, but when you search, you can actually search by title, you can search by location, you can search by company. Okay, you can put all these filters in one shot, and the results will not only tell you the job openings, they will also tell you the current pay, the scale, the money that the companies are paying based on different review sites like Glassdoor, Pay Scale, Ambition Box, and Levels.fyi. So there are different websites which provide the salary information as well. Everything will be in one page. Okay, and also there will be Google reviews, there will be Glassdoor reviews, there will be other reviews which you can read given by different people. So it is that simple, everything in one shot. Okay, so now let me share my screen and let's see what this method is. First step is to go to google.com, and in the search box enter a search string. For example, jobs for project manager at Pune location. So when we do that, we get these search results, and if you see this search box, these are all Google results. You can also search for something else like jobs space Java developer space name of the city, for example Hyderabad. In this case, it will show you the results of Java developer jobs in Hyderabad. Okay, and this search result can be the first one or it can be below. So you have to find this and click on this box. As soon as you click on this box, you come to this Google search page, which is exclusively for job search. Okay, here we are looking at results for Java developer jobs in Hyderabad. All these are different job openings for the same role in Hyderabad, and if you look at it, it also tells you the location and also via which source is this opening coming over here. Okay, for example, this second one is from Placement India, the third one is from LinkedIn, the fourth one is also from LinkedIn. Okay, so likewise, now the fifth one is from State Street Careers. These are various sources from which all these openings have been aggregated. So this system is working like an aggregation system. You can scroll down and you can also see the typical pay for this type of work. So for example, on Ambition Box and on Glassdoor, what are the various salary ranges, okay, for associate Java developers and other roles. And then over here you can see the reviews as well on Glassdoor, Ambition Box, what are people saying. Okay, all of those reviews are also here, so you get everything at one place. That is the beauty of this system. Let's search for something else. If we search for, let's say, jobs for program manager role in Pune location, then you type that particular search string, hit enter, and you see these search results. These are all program manager openings in Pune. Okay, and then you can sort it by employers. You can click on employers and put filters. For example, if I click on MasterCard, I'll see all job openings for program manager positions in MasterCard. Okay, and then you can also search it by actively hiring. If you click on actively hiring, you will see all companies that are actively hiring for program manager titles in Pune. For example, Barclays, MasterCard, BMC Software, and all of these openings. Okay, so it is a very powerful system. You can do different type of filters over here by full-time, contractor roles, okay, remote jobs, all of these. Then you can also set alerts. When you set alerts, you can actually put your email ID. So for example, my email ID is career.coach.anand@gmail.com. So with this alert, all these job openings for this particular filter will be coming into my email. So I don't need to search on different locations. I don't need to search on LinkedIn. I don't need to search on other portals. Everything is set on Google. Google will send me alerts. You can also save certain jobs. You can also create alerts for certain jobs if you need to. So this is how you can actually automate a lot of manual effort and put these alerts in place so that you can get information from different job portals right in your email. You don't have to manually go on 10 different websites and search. This is very simple and powerful method. Not many people know about it. If you liked it, just show a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye for now.